For these demonstrations, we're going to look at the effect of acetone, or as it should be correctly called in schools, propanone, on expanded polystyrene foam. So here we have a sheet of expanded polystyrene foam. We have an acetone wash bottle, a propanol wash bottle. One experiment you can simply do is to create patterns in the foam as the foam collapses under the action of the acetone. The black bag on the table here is simply for contrast. Let's get rid of that one. Let's take some propanone liquid, put it into a large beaker. We've got some polystyrene foam sheets here. Hopefully they're cut to the correct size. We can put the top in. One thing the kids are going to want to know is whether this is dissolving or not. And it isn't. It's actually simply disrupting the structure. As you can see, if it was dissolving, we'd have a solution in the bottom, and all we've done here is release the gases that foam out the polystyrene. If we don't have low density polystyrene, we might get some higher density polystyrene. This you can use as well. However, the action is a bit slower. And if you concentrate on the interface between the expanded polystyrene foam and the liquid, the propanone, you can see the gas being released as the structure is opened up. And it takes a bit longer, so it's slightly less dramatic. If you want to look at some more dramatic, and we'll use the same solvent here. I've got an expanded polystyrene beaker, a styrofoam cup as our American colleagues would say. And if I pour this straight into the top, you can see that it soon takes the bottom out and carries on the dissolution of the foam. Lastly, an alternative to the mess that I'm making here, we could put our polystyrene foam packing pieces into a litre bottle. If we just take a small amount of the propanone, put that into the top, you can see very easily how little polystyrene is present in a litre of polystyrene foam pieces. The added advantage of this is, of course, you can put the top on and reduce the smell. When you're setting these experiments up, please be aware that the polystyrene foam substitutes don't dissolve in propanone. They'll dissolve in hot water. I'm talking here about the maize-based products.